Namaskar, welcome to the Lodhi.
If you want to know what's it like to stay at the Lodhi Hotel, one of the premium luxury hotels in India, this is the video for you. At LexGo, my goal is to make travel simple. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Delhi is India's capital. It's a city that's like a country of its own. It has a population bigger than Portugal and Singapore combined. And it always makes it as one of the top 10 most polluted cities in the world. But despite of it all, it's a place you must experience at least once in your lifetime. Delhi on its own is filled with grand history and rich culture. And it's also the gateway to Taj Mahal, one of the world's greatest wonders. In the middle of a city filled with contrasts, we found an oasis, a place with a quiet promise to give us the best of the Delhi experience.
Namaskar, welcome to the Lodhi Hotel.
Namaskar, welcome to the Lodhi.
Welcome to Lodhi Hotel.
Luxury and comfort are in every corner of this hotel, a place dedicated to please the senses. That's why when it comes to food, I never got disappointed.
Namaskar, welcome to Lodhi.
My breakfast was the Bombay Egg Burji Croissant, their version of Indian scrambled egg. It was so good, I'm still craving for it. But more than the taste and the beauty the place could offer, what makes Lodhi Delhi very special is their sincere effort to make your stay in Delhi truly comfortable. We were about to fly out of Delhi, and we were desperate to find some spices we need. It was a Sunday, and many stores were closed. When the manager of Lodhi Hotel learned about our problem, he quickly offered us a free transport service with a very friendly guide.
Hi, I am Babu. My name is full Gurpreet Singh Babu.
Babu is very kind enough to bring us to the spice market because many markets now are closed because it's Sunday.
Yes.
Our trip to Delhi was truly made special by the Lodhi Hotel, and I hope it inspires you to make wise choices when planning your trip to India. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to LexGo.